update from myself, Sarah Lane. So in terms of Azure news this week, it has been a little bit of a slim pickings week. Looking at the news, we've had some updates around things like log analytics agents. There's a new one for Linux, which I believe is going to support some Python 3 and also has a new troubleshooting agent built into it. We've also had the Azure Site Recovery team roll out a new roll-up for your agents. So again, hopefully fixing some bugs and adding some functionality into the features as well. So if you haven't used that, if you are using that, please do check that out and make sure you're applying that roll-up to your environment. In terms of big Azure news, we've seen them announced new regions within Brazil and Austria. So that's fantastic to see more Azure regions and data centres coming online. I think at last count we have 65 online, fully functioning right now, 6 in the pipeline being built, and these additional 2. So it's going to take us well over the 70 mark in terms of Azure regions, which is great to see Azure growing so much. I'm going to have to update some of my slides to accommodate this news. But yeah, hopefully it'll be fantastic for people to enable them to use Azure closer to them as well. It's great to see the European data centres ramping up with ones. I think we have quite a few now in that region, so definitely lots of choice and lots of availability for people as well. So for me this week, it's been not fantastic. It's been a lot of reshuffling, a lot of stress, a lot of out of hours work, a lot of meetings being cancelled, a lot of new meetings being put in my diary, a lot of having to redo some things because people are being a little bit OCD with some things. And yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to logging off tonight. I think my last meeting unfortunately doesn't finish till 6 p.m. tonight, which isn't fantastic for a Friday. But once I do log off, I think I'm going to have a media and social media blackout. I absolutely need some time off this week and this weekend, and I'm just going to look after myself, do some things around the house. This office needs tidied up. It's become a dumping ground of stuff and I can't find anything. So I'm definitely needing some time off this week. And I think, especially now in the current situation, that we are all mindful of that. And we're all mindful of when we're asking people to do some stuff for each other, that we're being sensitive to their needs as well. I've seen a lot of people selfishly put some stuff in my diary without thinking about time zone differences this week, so it hasn't been fantastic, and unfortunately I haven't been able to push back just due to timelines and stuff. So yeah, it's been a struggle this week. I'm hoping, like I said, to have some downtime this weekend and just chill and try and look after myself and focus on myself so that I'm ready to go again on Monday. The next couple of weeks I am working late into the evenings again to accommodate a project I'm working on, so I've went through my diary and I've blocked out some mornings. So there are some mornings here in Scotland where I'm going to be having a long lie or I'm going to go for a walk because I don't finish work till 8-9 o'clock at night. So instead of doing that 12-14 hour day, I am going to put my 8 hours in to accommodate that. So instead of starting at like 8 in the morning, I'll be starting at like 10 or 11 to try and shorten my days a little bit and make sure I'm not overstressing myself as well. So things you have to do in order to just kind of keep going and keep your mental health going as well as your physical health, especially your physical health right now. I definitely don't want my immune system to drop down for obvious reasons. So that's me, that's my update. I have had some fun with some community user groups this week as well. But yeah, I am definitely looking forward to logging off on tonight and tidying all the work stuff away and just chilling for the weekend. So I hope you all have a good one and I will catch you next week.